Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl Hamilton and I'm excited to show you a new fun fold that I saw on Rachel Tessman's site. This fold is a perfect way to show off kind of some scenery designer series paper, and I'm gonna do one with this new designer series paper called Whale of a Time. And look at some of these pictures that you can do. This one is gorgeous. So I love that, and this with the little crabs, and there's lots of them. Today, the one on my card is the turtles. And so here's my card that I'm going to be showing you how to do. And you open it, and look at that. Isn't that neat? So it's just a beautiful way to show that off, and you have a little space for your note. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm starting with a piece of Pacific Point cardstock, and it measures 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches. I'm going to score it at 4 1/4 and at 7 1/4. Okay, and the next thing I'm doing is I'm using Whale of a Time designer series paper. It's a 6x6 paper, and it's beautiful. You guys are gonna love it. And I selected a different piece, and because I just like to see how all of them look. Oh, now I'm confused if I moved it around. Just a second. Oh, I did. This goes here, there, and there. Okay, don't mess it up. Okay, so what I did was you start with a 6x6 piece, and you want to cut so that it is 5 1/4 inches tall or long. So I cut off a little bit of the top, and then the left panel is 2 1/4 inches. The middle is 1 5/8, and then the right side is 2 1/8. And again, the length of these is all 5 1/4. The next thing I'm doing is cutting a Whisper White piece for the right side edge of the card, and it's 5 1/4 by 1 3/4. Let me just do that. I think that's right. Yeah. Okay, and then usually I stamp on the white before I glue it, because if I make a mistake, I can turn it over. Where's my stamp? Okay, so this is from a stamp set called Well Done that goes with the paper, and it has a whale punch, which is super cute. So this is really cute. It says, "Hoping all your birthday fishes come true." I like that. Okay, so I stamped it in Pretty Peacock, and I'm going to put my card together. So I'm folding it in half at the 4 1/4, and then the other score line is going to end up being folded back the other way. Okay, so don't put your designer series paper on yet. You're going to start with the white piece. And I'm gluing it on the right side, leaving a border that I think is equal. It's sort of around 1/8 of an inch, I think. And then you're going to put your right piece of designer series paper. And the next one is going to go there. And this one's a little different because you don't glue the whole thing down like that. You're going to glue it just on this flap you know, so that when you open it, it looks like that. But, oh, you know, but you need to make sure you don't want it to look like this. You want it to go right up to that edge and cover the white piece. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue on my flap. Before I really press it down real hard, I'm going to make sure it covers the white. So once I'm happy, then I can press it. Isn't that neat? Now I wanted to try something a little bit different with this card, just to see how it looks. So I'm going to use my whale and stamp him in Just Jade. It's kind of dark, but I'll see how it looks. When you're punching out an image that you just did, if you try to do it this way, you can't see where you're going. So I do it this way. The other thing is, if I punched out a white one first and tried to stamp right over that whale, it would be really hard to get it perfect. So this is the way I do it. I hold it with my, because I'm right-handed, I hold it with my right hand and kind of squeeze down halfway to hold it in place when I get it where I want it. And then I use both hands to punch it. And there he is. Okay, so that's my whale. And I want to put him on a little circle. Let me see. I'll do some of these. Just a second. Granny apple green. I just match the colors in the designer series paper. That's how I come up with the colors. It's not a lot of thought involved. So, and this one, I think I'll do that, and then I'll do another image without re-inking. Okay, that should be good. Let me see if I need more stuff. Probably not. There's a lot of cute stamps in here. You could do anything, but I want to put something on his spout. This would be cute if I would stamp it and do it like a little heart, but I'm going to just put sequins, I think. So let me pop it up with my dimensionals. Put a little one on the tail. And I'm just going to play with the sequins. They have some, my favorites are these. Look at these. Isn't that cute? It's like a little clamshell. It's really pretty. But I'm gonna use this little thing I got on Amazon. It has a really fine glue tip. So I'm just gonna put some dots. I hope it doesn't just come squirting out of there really hard. That'd be bad. Yeah, I think it's clogged. Let me try another one. Okay. I put 3 little dots on here. So let me see if I can, I'll use my take your pick tool. It has a putty on one side, so it picks up things, but I want really small ones if I could find some. 2. Guess I'll just use the same thing. Okay, I could do another one over there. I don't know. It's hard to stop, isn't it? Isn't that cute? Yay! Those things are fun. I'm going to do some shaker cards with those, I'm pretty sure. Now, because the card looks like this, let me close these up because you know how that is. They're a magnet for all your, once your card is perfect, then they just seem to fall in an ink pad. So keep them closed, and this is going to go on there. And I thought because of these fish, I would use Calypso Coral. Oh, shoot, I lost a sequin. Just a second. Once it dries, I'll be good. Isn't that pretty? I think it needs some sparkle. That's pretty. Can you guys see it? I don't know. There it is. Okay, and then I'm gonna, if I put it up here, it should be fine. Okay. So I'm just gonna put glue on this side. Like that. Okay, so there you go. That one's really cute too. Just like the turtle, they're just a bit different. Okay, thanks so much. I hope you guys make lots of these. I like that fun fold. And thanks for tuning in. Hope you subscribe, and have a great day.